Knock Knock Comedy Fun for Kids, Cartoon Kids TV Edition. Knock, knock. Who's there? Let us. Let us who? Let us in. It's too cold out here. Knock, knock. Who's there? Boo. Boo-hoo? Don't cry, it's just a joke. Knock, knock. Who's there? Olive. Olive who? Olive, and I miss you. Knock, knock. Who's there? Cow says. Cow says who? No, silly, a cow says moo. Knock, knock. Who's there? Atch. Atch who? Bless you. Knock, knock. Who's there? Boo-hoo. Boo-hoo-hoo? Don't cry, it's just a joke again. Knock, knock. Who's there? Lion. Lion who? Lion in the grass, so don't sit on me. Knock, knock. Who's there? Justin. Justin who? Just in time for some funny jokes. Knock, knock. Who's there? Alpaca. Alpaca who? Alpaca the suitcase? You load up the car. Knock, knock. Who's there? Woo. Woo-hoo? Don't get too excited. It's just another joke. Cartoon Kids TV is here to make your day brighter and your little ones chuckle. Watch our latest video filled with 10 funny knock-knock jokes for kids. Join us on Cartoon Kids TV, where laughter knows no bounds and fun never ends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more comedy and entertainment. Goodbye.